Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily disable voicemail on your iOS 18 iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to write your comments after watching the video and put your likes. So friends, let us get started. First, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down to the bottom and go to Apps. In the apps, you will be interested in your phone. Scroll down, find your phone, tap on it, and scroll down. And down here in the menu, you'll be interested in two settings. The first one is forwarding and the second one is real-time voicemail. So, friends, first of all, find each of these options. For example, forwarding, click on it. And if you have that option enabled, click on this button here to disable it. Do the same thing with the live voicemail option. When you've turned off forwarding and voicemail, exit the settings. Then go to the phone app. Click on the keyboard, and then you'll see a set like this. Lattice 004, lattice, and then call. And literally after a couple seconds, you will see a window like this, which will say that voicemail on your iPhone has been successfully disabled. Friends, this is the way to do it. In a simple and quick method, you can easily disable class mail on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful. Please do not forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.